This Pine Mount area somewhere the government has recognized a place where.
Yeah, that is a continuous process between the urban affair officials and with the, especially from the police department. Always we work line in line together. That too in different part of the states, and that's why we already approved the street parking policy also because of that reason only. And of course, since the police very limited, traffic jam is always there, so we are still working towards that.
Until 10 year malong?
Yeah, the status for that, we already plan to have meetings maybe last week of the month. I already coordinate with my officer, with my department to get update all the latest report from different part of the department or from the defense everything. We'll be having a meeting on the relocation of the thing in the last part of August.
So this meeting will be held with
It
the
should be.
Harijan
No,
meeting?
only between the department first, and then we will call the people from that camps. That's why I told them to collect all the report in details, the reports within the departments, and the report between the departments and the Harijan colony, and the report between the Harijan, the governments, and the defense land, and be able to know. So I told them be ready everything. So last part of this August we'll be having meeting about these issues. So we are waiting for the Assam to give us officially who's the chairman from their part. As soon as they appoint the chairman of the regional committee, I think we will meet.
So has the deputy...
Officially we didn't receive till today. Officially we have not received till today.
Has the deputy commissioner of West Indian submitted the report?
No, from us we are ready because the report we have to put the state, no? No, I cannot say difficult. Since the areas of difference always is an area of discussion always, so we will see. No, that is we are giving all this subject to the committee, both the state government. So that's why is the committee is the authority to take a call on the issues on border issues.
So survey has...
Whatever homework we should done from our part, we have done. The officer has almost completed, and when they complete all the report, we will sit first between the state, and then we will inform the Assam when they form the committee. So we will sit both the committee and we will take a call how to go ahead.
The time for the urban department to clarify on the land allotted to the CBI, whether there is any provision for construction of a temple inside the CBI premises.
We will take a call on that because that's totally looked by the NSTDA. So let me take a call with my officials, so I'll give the reply. I can give a wrong reply to you. What are the terms and conditions? We will see properly. I will let you know.